Good evening, students. Welcome back to you all again in your online bio classes, and this is for class 10. Students, in previous class, I taught you transportation. What is transportation? It is a life process in which a substance absorbed in one part of the body of an organism and carried to other parts. So in animals, for transportation, a system is present which is called transportation system. So on the basis of organism, transportation is of two types: transportation in plants and transportation in animals. In plants, basically water, minerals and foods are carried away by the process of transportation, and there are two tissues in plants which helps in transportation, and these are xylem and phloem. Xylem helps in carrying water and minerals from roots to the leaves part, and phloem carries food which are prepared in leaves part throughout the plant body. So now in today's class we'll discuss ascent of sap. What is ascent of sap? Transportation of water and minerals by roots of plants towards leaves is called ascent of sap. So the xylem tissue of the roots of plants are connected to the xylem vessels. With the help of these xylem vessels, the water and minerals from the soil reach through the roots and stems and finally to the leaves of the plants. Basically xylem tissue में जो xylem vessels होते हैं वो वाटर और मिनरल्स के ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में हेल्प करते हैं, जो रूट से वाटर एंड मिनरल्स को कैरी ऑन करते हैं और उसे लीव्स तक पहुंचाते हैं, और इस तरीके से प्लांट्स में फूड का फॉर्मेशन होता है. नाउ व्हाट इज ट्रांसपिरेशन? द इवेपोरेशन ऑफ वाटर वेपर फ्रॉम द लीव्स ऑफ अ प्लांट इज कॉल्ड ट्रांसपिरेशन. दैट मीन्स जब प्लांट के लीफ पार्ट से, लीफ में स्टोमेटा होता है, हम सभी इस बात को जानते हैं, तो प्लांट के लीफ पार्ट से जब वाटर वेपर के फॉर्म में रिलीज होता है तो इस प्रोसेस को हम लोग कहते हैं ट्रांसपिरेशन. और स्टूडेंट्स, इस प्रोसेस से प्लांट्स बहुत ज्यादा अमाउंट में वाटर को रिलीज करते हैं, एक्सेस अमाउंट में वाटर को रिलीज करते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई इन अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग व्हेन यू टच द लीफ ऑफ एनी प्लांट इट सीम्स वेट जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ ट्रांसपिरेशन. और इस ट्रांसपिरेशन के थ्रू ही प्लांट जो होते हैं अपने बॉडी के एक्सेस टेम्परेचर को भी मेंटेन करते हैं. दैट मीन्स टेम्परेचर को रेगुलेट भी इसी ट्रांसपिरेशन प्रोसेस से करते हैं. सन का एक्सेसिव हीट भी इसी ट्रांसपिरेशन प्रोसेस के कारण उनको नहीं फील हो पाता है, बिकॉज वो एक्सेस वाटर को रिलीज करते रहते हैं ताकि प्लांट्स ड्राई ना हो. सो स्टूडेंट, दिस इज ऑल फ्रॉम योर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन इन प्लांट्स टॉपिक. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस ट्रांसपोर्टेशन इन एनिमल्स, and it starts from blood. So students, now we will talk transportation in animals. So before knowing transportation in animals, you would have to know what is blood. Blood is a red colored liquid which circulates in our body. It is red due to presence of a pigment called hemoglobin. So what are the main components of bloods? It has four main components: plasma, red blood cells which is also known as RBC, and white blood cells WBC, and last one platelets. So what is plasma? The liquid part of blood is called plasma. It contains 90% of water and 10% dissolved substances like protein, urea, hormones and digested food. Now students, if we talk about functions of plasma, it carries water, salts and enzymes. It also takes nutrients, hormones and proteins to the parts of body that need it. Now, the other three parts of blood are RBC, WBC and platelets. So I have written characteristic differences between all these three. Here RBC, WBC and platelets. The properties: RBC is also known as erythrocyte, WBC leukocytes and platelets thrombocytes. RBC helps in transportation of oxygen, WBC increases our immunity, and platelets help in clotting of blood. Formed in all these three blood parts are formed in bone marrow. RBC is non-nucleated, WBC has nucleus, and platelet is also non-nucleated. Shape of RBC is circular, shape of WBC is irregular, and shape of biconvex is shape of platelets is biconvex. So this is all from today's bio class. Its other parts will be discussed in next class. Till then, goodbye and take care.